Welcome to day 31. Want to speak English fluently and confidently? Let's practice together. Just listen, repeat, and improve. Without any delay, let's get started. Greetings and small talk. Hey! How's it going? Repeat after me. Hey! How's it going? What's up? What's up? Long time no see. Say aloud. Long time no see. How have you been? How have you been? Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. What have you been up to? Repeat after me. What have you been up to? That's awesome. That's awesome. No way. Seriously? No way. Seriously? I totally get you. I totally get you. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. Making friends and getting to know someone. So, tell me about yourself. So, tell me about yourself. What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? Where are you from? Where are you from? Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? How do you usually spend your weekends? How do you usually spend your weekends? I love your outfit. Where did you get it? I love your outfit. Where did you get it? Have you watched any good movies lately? Have you watched any good movies lately? What kind of music do you listen to? What kind of music do you listen to? We should hang out sometime. We should hang out sometime. Let's grab a coffee this weekend. Let's grab a coffee this weekend. Keeping a conversation going. That reminds me of something similar that happened to me. That reminds me of something similar that happened to me. I know, right? I know, right? Exactly. I was just thinking the same thing. Exactly. I was just thinking the same thing. Oh, that's a good point. Repeat after me. Oh, that's a good point. Tell me more about it. Tell me more about it. That's so funny. That's so funny. Oh wow. I wasn't expecting that. Oh wow. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, I totally understand what you mean. Yeah, I totally understand what you mean. That's crazy. What happened next? That's crazy. What happened next? You won't believe what just happened to me. You won't believe what just happened to me. Joking and light-hearted talk. Just kidding. Just kidding. I was only joking. I was only joking. You have a great sense of humor. You have a great sense of humor. That made my day. That made my day. You're too funny. You're too funny. I can't stop laughing. I can't stop laughing. That's the best thing I've heard all day. That's the best thing I've heard all day. You always make me laugh. You always make me laugh. I love our random conversations. I love our random conversations. Talking to you always makes my day better. Talking to you always makes my day better. Other casual conversations. I had such a great time talking to you. I had such a great time talking to you. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. Do you have any weekend plans? Do you have any weekend plans? It was so nice catching up with you. It was so nice catching up with you. I really enjoy our conversations. I really enjoy our conversations. Let's do this again soon. Let's do this again soon. I feel like we could talk for hours. I feel like we could talk for hours. I always have a great time when we chat. I always have a great time when we chat. Have a great day and talk to you soon. Have a great day and talk to you soon. Great job practicing today. Keep repeating daily and you'll see amazing progress. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practice sessions. Now it's your turn. Try making 3 daily conversation sentences using what you learned today. Comment them below. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep improving.